What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute, but we are back with another first 10, and today we have the brand new IQ Tour AI. Not going to talk too much in the beginning. We're going to get some shots in and we're going to talk a little bit about the ball, but I am really excited for this piece, so let's get into it. All right, I will say off the rip, this is going to be a hybrid piece. Man, it's a good start. I warmed up a little bit with the ball, so I apologize, but it wasn't even on this lane, it was on the sport shot lane over there. To get into the specs of this ball, and this is where we're gonna have like a B-reel, we're gonna like shoot like, in 15 pounds, IQ Tour AI is 2.48031, the C3 AI Core R2S hybrid cover stock with power edge. So what you're going to expect out of this ball, obviously more hitting power from the AI Core, and you're gonna see it be a step above the IQ Ruby, I believe. I wasn't a huge fan of the IQ Ruby, so I had a lot of high hopes for this ball. You can see with that slash of the 10 right there, that's the AI Core taking its role very nicely. If you guys don't know, since you're on the extras channel, I was a huge fan of the IQ Emerald. That ball travels with me everywhere. And I could see this being a step above that and also giving me a very similar shape. So if we keep this up, I'm gonna wanna order 6. Yeah, that's, wow. That's pretty gross, I'm not gonna lie. So if you see this fancy towel that I'm holding, we got new stuff on the website. Nate and Elise chamois comes in 2 different colors. I personally love this one, so you guys are gonna have to go check it out. Link is gonna be in the description. On lane 11 here, we're bowling on a typical house shot. This is just a great sight to see. Oh boy. Even when you miss it completely off your hand, this ball makes you look good. I expect this one to be a house shot killer because it's going to be a step above, like I said, IQ Ruby, IQ Emerald with this hybrid cover stock, R2S hybrid cover stock. Let's see if we could actually throw one a little bit better. I need to stop talking while I'm on the approach. Not great. Not great at all, but we'll take that. We'll take the breaks. Where are you gonna see this ball in your lineup overall? I see this being obviously a step above those lower end pieces, like your high roads, IQ Ruby, just with the cover stock, but I do see it below something like Phase AI, Sublime, maybe even Road Warrior. Not sure yet, but the Road Warrior kind of surprised me. It was really strong, and I wasn't expecting it to be really strong, but it's still really good. All right, let's try to throw a better one here. Man. Oh, we couldn't shoot 300 for you guys, I apologize. This is the first 10, not gonna do any fancy video editing. All right, so let's get back in, throw a good one. I'm really liking what I'm seeing. Obviously, I'm not liking what I'm doing when I'm throwing the ball, but that was better. What oil patterns am I going to use this on? Obviously, the fine china. It looks good on the china. And I would probably throw it on medium to lighter patterns. I could see myself using this ball late transition on some heavier stuff, but that's just my first impressions of it right now, so. Yeah, not a very good shot right there. I was actually throwing it halfway decent. I feel like I would have a 20 bagger. All right, we're gonna move a little bit left. We're gonna move left, we're gonna slow it down. Let's go like 4. We're gonna go 4 left here. That's better. That gives me confidence, you know, something like the IQ series. Like I said, I love the emerald a lot, and I was able to move in, play straight, do a whole bunch of different things with it. And hopefully it's the same case with this one. Allows me to throw it hard, be straighter. I'm gonna keep going left. Looks like it's allowing me to open up the lane. Go another 3. We're gonna try that again. Oh, it's the 10th frame. So that was the 10th shot. So we get bonus bowling. So that's good. So let's see if we can throw another good one here. Really love the colors of this ball. Just an emerald with some black in it. All right, so maybe that was a little bit too much, but we'll give you guys some extra shots here at the end of this video. I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you haven't already, please hit that like, hit that subscribe, do all that good stuff. Check out our merch, check out the new chamois, check out all that stuff. We'll see you on the next one.